Hi, in this recording we'll learn about the order of precedence or order of operations in Excel. So let's say we have a formula that looks like this, equals 4 plus 2 times 5. What do you think this will give me? If I hit enter, you see it's giving me 14. Why are we getting 14? Because we do the multiplication first, so 2 times 5 is 10, and then we add the 4 to that, and so we get 14. We do not do the addition before the multiplication because multiplication has a higher precedence compared to addition. So if I want to get 30 instead, you can add parentheses. I can add a parenthesis before the 4 and after the 2. So that tells Excel do whatever is inside the parentheses first, then do the multiplication. And so we get 30 instead. So according to the order of operations, if you have parentheses, that gets calculated first. So the dot simply means whatever is inside the parentheses will get calculated first. Then it's going to look for exponents. And so this is the second in terms of the order of operations. An exponents example of that would be something like 3 squared, for example. 3 squared. So 3 had 2 or 3 caret symbol 2 is the same thing as 3 squared. Okay, then we have multiplication and division. And so both of these have the same precedence. And so this has the highest, then this, and then this. What if I have like one multiplication and one division, or two divisions, or two multiplications? And so the way it will calculate it is going to go from left to right. So whatever happens first will get calculated first. And then finally, we have addition and subtraction. And same thing, if I have like multiple additions or multiple subtractions or a mix of both, we will go from left to right. So we'll go from left to right. So let's look at an example to wrap things up in our heads. So if I have equals, let's see, let me come up with a complex formula to help you understand this. 9 minus 6 divide by 3 plus 2 squared minus 7 minus 3 divide by 3. Okay, I think this is complex enough. Okay, so based on this, where do we look first? We look at the parentheses, right? And then within the parentheses, which one has higher precedence, the subtraction or the division? According to this, the division has a higher precedence. So we look at this first. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, right? So 7 minus 1 is 6. So we have 6 here. Okay. So this will give me the value 6. Let's keep going. So according to this, we go to the exponent, right? Go to the exponent. So 2 squared is 4. So we have 4 minus 6, right? 4 minus 6. And so let's keep going. So now we have minus, divide, plus, minus. So we look here and we see that the division has a higher precedence. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, right? And so what we have left is minus, plus, and minus, right? So it's going to be 9 minus 2 is 7, plus 4 is 11, minus 6 is 5. If I hit enter, we see how we get 5. So if you learn this, if you know the order of operations, you can easily figure out how things are getting calculated in Excel. And this is important to learn. Just remember this and you'll be good to go.